A warm welcome. I am Jayashree and my teammates are Arshita, Alekia and Jashwanti. I am here to present our project Smart Light using Arduino and Ethernet Shield. As technology is advancing, our modern houses are gradually shifting from conventional switches to centralized control system involving remote controlled switches. Here, we made it even more easier to control devices by connecting it to the internet. This project will be very helpful for the elderly and physically disabled. We have developed a smart lighting system using Arduino and Ethernet Shield. In order to achieve this, an Ethernet Shield is connected to the Arduino board, which is used to send commands from the user to the end device where the LED is connected. By clicking the specific button on the web page, the LED can be turned on or off remotely with this technology. In addition to this, a PIR sensor is used to automatically control the LED by detecting any motion in a specific region. This can be achieved by clicking the automatic mode button in the web page. The hardware components we are used are Arduino Uno, Ethernet Shield, PIR sensor and LEDs. The software we have used is Arduino. Arduino Uno. We have used Arduino Uno to provide cheaper solution for this project. PIR sensor. In our project, we have used PIR sensor to detect IRs from human at certain range. Ethernet Shield. Rather than Ethernet, we can also use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to interface. But I have used Ethernet to connect to the internet so that we can operate it from anywhere in this world. Here comes the circuit diagram. The LED's negative terminal is connected to ground and the positive to the digital input-output pin 8. The PIR sensor has 3 pins: VCC, ground and output pin. The VCC pin is connected to 5V output in the Arduino board. Second connection is from PIR ground to Arduino board ground. The output pin to the digital input-output pin 7. Working. In our web page, there will be 3 controllers: on, off and automatic. And the web page is connected to Arduino via the internet, which is connected to LED and PIR sensor. When the user press on button, the web page sends commands to the control Arduino that switch on the LED. This can be switched off by pressing the off button. When the user presses the automatic button displayed on the app, the controls is taken by the Arduino board based on the output of the PIR sensor. Whenever a person enters a specific region, the PIR sensor detects the motion and it turns on the LED. If there is no motion detected, the LED is turned off. This can also be manually overridden by simply clicking the on-off button. This is what our web page looks like. It comprises of 3 buttons and an LED status detector. Here comes the code for our project. This part describes the HTML code used for the interface.
Here comes the hardware working of this project. When we select turn on LED in the web page, the LED is turned on. When we select turn off LED, the LED is turned off. Now, we are selecting automatic mode. Here, the PIR sensor detects the object. If it sends any IRs, it will turn on the LED or else it will remain turned off.
Future work. We could create an app and access the system from it by connecting the Arduino to Firebase database. This project can further be developed by controlling other devices like fan, TV, ACs, etc. Thank you.